Hello, Becoming a Scholar student. Today's video is going to be how to add folders to your email inbox. And you're probably wondering, why do I possibly need to have folders in my email inbox? Well, this cartoon kind of sums up really well why organization is important. As you transition from high school to college, organization kind of falls from maybe your parents took care of some of that to you being pretty much in charge of it. So being able to access information and locate things that you need when you need it is really important. So this video is going to take you step by step through how to do that to help you hopefully get a little bit more organized as you begin your college journey. So the first thing that you need to do in order to add folders is to actually open up your Bluffton email. So your email should look a little bit like this. You'll notice that I don't have very many emails in the main screen or the main inbox. That's because for me, the only emails that stay there are the ones that actually I need to take care of or I need to do something with. Everything else I actually put in folders on the left-hand side of the screen. Okay, so once you have your Bluffton email address open, I'll show you then how to actually add folders. So the next thing that you need to do is locate your inbox folder, which should be on the left-hand side of the screen. So if you haven't made any folders in the past, it will look just like this. It'll just be an inbox with nothing underneath it besides junk email and other things. Or if you have added folders before and you didn't know it, there's actually, if you can click the down arrow, there's a whole set of folders that are below that. Once you're actually in that screen, in order to add a folder, you're going to right-click on the inbox word, the word inbox, and you're going to select Create New Subfolder. So I've located my inbox folder, or my inbox, the word inbox there, and you're going to right-click on that word, and you're going to click on Create New Subfolder. When you do that, you'll get a blank to type in the name of that subfolder. What I specifically do is I have folders for each class that I teach or a class that I'm taking. If you're in a sports team, I would probably have one for that specific sports team or an activity. So one class that I am teaching this fall is Anatomy and Physiology 1. So I'm going to add that as a folder. Notice it actually comes up here in my inbox folders. So now you actually have the folder created. Now the last step is to actually add the messages into the folder, which would be helpful. So I'll show you how to do that. There's actually two different ways that you can put messages into folders. The first one is just to grab the message and drag it to wherever you would like it to go. So this email up here is from Adam, who's our mentor in Becoming a Scholar. And you'll notice I have Becoming a Scholar, a folder down there. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it into the Becoming a Scholar folder. And if I would open that folder up, I would see, oh, there's my email from Adam. Now another way to do it, I'll stick it back in my regular inbox. Another way to do it is to open up the actual email itself, and that will pull up a menu here at the top. So you see this button up here that says Move To. If you click the arrow beside that, it will give you an option to put it into a specific folder. And I'm going to put it into the Becoming a Scholar folder, since that's what that email pertains to. So that gives you a little taste of how to create folders in your inbox. In your main inbox folder. It helps you keep a little bit more organized. You know what things you need to take care of. I only move them into folders once I'm actually done completing that task, but if there's some information that I need to go back and actually access later. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.